The dive site near the Mukilteo Ferry is really popular with divers. I like to start off my dive at the old dock where you can find schools of these small perch swimming around. Underneath the dock there's a large pipe that then leads down the slope further into the dive site. This is also a great place to find all sorts of wildlife. Everywhere you go, well-camouflaged flatfish get up and swim away into the distance. Puget Sound is home to many different species of flatfish, and most of them are really hard to tell apart. The spot flounder are one of the few types that have really quite distinctive markings. You can see here the dark spot in the middle of the back is followed by the white patch and then the sort of bullseye coloration on the tail. Up close, this fish is easy to spot, but as soon as you start backing away, it just melds into the backdrop. Some fish are excellent at close-up camouflage. Can you spot the sculpin? There it is. Other creatures don't hide at all. The California sea cucumbers amble along the ocean floor like living vacuum cleaners, cleaning up all sorts of debris that falls on the floor. They are everywhere at this dive site. Then we get to the dome. It has been colonized by hundreds of anemones and tube worms and the rockfish that school all around it. The highlight of the dome is this small angel statue. When I first started diving here, the plumose anemone was just a cute little jaunty hat. It has certainly grown. Tucked up under the angel's wing is a frosted Dirona nudibranch. Then, surprise, a cute little brightly colored male greenling. This is a painted greenling, and the painted greenlings actually kind of come in two different color morphs. This dark one, and this much lighter one where you can more clearly see those bright red stripes. Crab fishing is legal in this area, and this is what a crab pot looks like underwater. Well, at least this is what it looks like when you don't actually catch anything. Something I don't get to see very often while diving are sea pens, which are colony animals like corals and related to corals and anemones and sea jellies and stuff like that. Another unusual treat on this dive was getting to see this moon snail eating a clam. The shell is up top there, and down below, where the mouth is, they have a tongue covered in spikes that they'll use to scrape out the meat of the clam. We also saw another moon snail cruising as the tide rolled in. And last but not least, this adorable and unusual 6-armed ochre sea star that could fit in the palm of my hand. Thanks for watching!